Good morning. This is some of the climate change notes that I would have done in class. This is a John Oliver thing on climate change. It's kind of funny, but it's also not inaccurate. So go ahead and watch that. And then you're going to watch, this is optional. If you don't want to watch this, that's fine. It's a poem about a man who really is passionate about the environment, but it's 5 minutes, so that's an optional one. I don't want to get rid of it because it's one that I would show next year. This one I do want you to watch. This is about the oldest living things in the world and how they go about. And then this part is a little different. This is a really cool article on the impact that COVID has had on our, well, just little tiny bits of the planet, but we're finding this all over. So if you guys could take a look at this link, and you're going to go, it's the impact of COVID and people staying home. I talked about this a little bit right at the beginning of this unit, but this is the article I got it from. I would really like you, even if you don't read all of it, just please peruse it and take a look at that. Here are those main ozone changes, uh, carbon monoxide, all of this. And I'm guessing that we would have better data yet because we're another week or so past this. And then the nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide levels. This one is a quick video that I do want you to watch, and that is on air pollution and the stay-at-home order. But this is from Minnesota and how it's affecting us. So this is our local news. And so, how has the stay-at-home order affected Minnesota and the world? So you can kind of compare those two. If you guys are really ambitious and want to go look and see at other places, that would be cool. Like if you want to go see what's happening in Greece or in Italy or in England or in Tunisia or in Sydney, Australia, I don't care. If you want to go look, that's great. But if you do that, the article you find, would you please include the link in this box if you go somewhere else and do something other than San Francisco and Mound or the Twin Cities? And then the last one here is, what are you worried about or unsure about after we've talked about all this climate change things? And obviously, I'm assuming COVID is one of those. I mean, you can list that if you want, but I'm thinking more on climate change at this point. What are we hopeful for about climate, and what do you think you yourself can do to mitigate climate change? In other words, what little things are you capable of doing? Can you take a 30-second shorter shower? Can you turn the water off when you brush your teeth? All these things we would normally have talked about in class, how you can make a change. And you can even Google that. How can one person make small changes to affect our environment? So that's what this assignment's about. Thank you for watching, and I wish we were doing this in class, but we're not. So have a great day, and as always, email with questions or concerns or jump on Zoom.